everyone. Welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles, the place where classic design meets future innovation. And today we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. The all-new 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup. That's right. GMC is shaking up the truck world with a jaw-dropping tribute to the golden era of pickups, but with all the modern tech and muscle you'd expect from a next-gen beast. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's take a deep dive into what might be the most head-turning, heart-racing, and game-changing truck of the year. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior, because the 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup is an absolute visual knockout. Inspired by the legendary GMC trucks of the late 60s and early 70s, this machine blends retro style with a futuristic twist. You've got a boxy silhouette that screams old-school cool, but with bold modern touches. Think LED halo headlights, a massive GMC stamped grille, and chunky chrome bumpers that pay homage to the classics. And those steely look alloy wheels? Just chef's kiss. Whether you choose the two-tone paint job or the satin black edition, this truck is a straight-up showstopper. From every angle, it commands attention. It's like cruising in a time machine built for tomorrow. Interior. Design. Now step inside and things get even more impressive. The cabin of the 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup is where heritage meets high-tech. GMC has absolutely nailed the retro-modern vibe. You're looking at plaid cloth or premium leather bench seats, a machined aluminum dash, and classic toggle switches. But wait, there's more. A massive digital instrument cluster, a slick, 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and voice-activated everything brings this vintage ride right into the future. Even the steering wheel is a work of art, a throwback design with hidden haptic controls and customizable LED accents. And yes, there's even a column shifter because some things should never die. Performance. But let's talk power, because the 2026 Vintage Pickup isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, you've got options, and they're all muscle. The base model packs a turbocharged 3.0L inline-6 diesel with serious torque, while the top-tier Vintage SS trim brings in a 6.2L V8, pushing out over 460 horsepower. That's right, it's got the grunt to match the growl. There's also a hybrid option for those who want performance and efficiency, perfect for city cruising or weekend getaways. And let's not forget, this beast can tow. We're talking up to 13,000 pounds of trailering capability, with advanced trailer tech built in. Safety. And for those wondering about safety, GMC's got you covered. The 2026 Vintage Pickup is equipped with the latest GMC Pro Safety Plus suite, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind zone alert, adaptive cruise control, the whole package. But here's the kicker. The safety tech is invisible. It's all hidden behind that vintage dash layout, so you're not bombarded with beeps and buzzes. Just smooth, subtle protection while you enjoy the drive. Overall impression. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup is not just a truck, it's a statement, a tribute to the past built with the technology of the future. It's rugged, it's refined, and it's ready to steal the spotlight from every other truck on the road. Whether you're a collector, a daily driver, or just someone who loves authentic American style, this truck is a dream come true. Outro. So what do you think? Is the 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup the retro revival we've all been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from USA Dream Vehicles. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep driving, and keep loving those legendary rides. Want a short version or a script for YouTube Shorts or TikTok? Let me know.